Did you know that when your phone is locked, if you tap your finger on the clock, it will display a bunch of widgets with important information? If you didn't know that, I'm going to show you how to do it. On top of that, you are able to change those widgets, and I'm going to show you just how to do that. So what you want to do, guys, just go to your settings on your phone and you want to scroll all the way down to lock screen. Tap on that. Then you have two options here. You have lock screen and you have widgets. You want to tap on the widgets. Now from here, you will see it is showing you as an example. Once you tap on the clock, it will expand some widgets that you can see. And below, you have a bunch of widgets that you can turn on or turn off. So you have music, you have today's schedule, next alarm, weather, routine, digital well-being, smart things, and even your voice recorder. So as you can see, I have some of them enabled while some of them is off, and you can go ahead and you can enable the ones that you want to show and the ones that you don't. For me, I'd like to turn on today's schedule. I don't want the next alarm, but the weather could be useful, routines as well, and even the voice recorder, I can leave it like that. On top of that, if you'd like to change the order how these are shown, you can tap the reorder button on the uppermost right hand side. You can simply press and hold and move to whichever order you want, and this will literally move those into different orders that you wish. And that's all there is to it. Now once you're finished, just simply go back and it's all done. And once you go back and lock your screen and tap the clock, you will see those options that you've enabled on your phone. Very easy and very simple.